Hello, I'm Brian from Boatshed, Bourgogne. I'm just in the aft cabin of a Southwest Durham Steelcraft Peniche. 14.65 metres long, 4.1 metres wide, similar to the Euro Classic in many ways, except we have a much more Peniche barge style bow and a rounded stern. As you can see, double walk round bed in this aft cabin, 2 metres long, 1.4 wide, lots of lighting, lots of opening portholes, 1.89 metres of headroom, private ensuite heads, electric loo to holding tank, hip bath. Make our way up 2 steps into the signature galleys of these Euro Classics and Peniches. Split galley, port and starboard, full domestic cooker, 2 fridges. Direct into the main saloon. Entertainment area, access doors, port and starboard, interior steering position, hydraulic bow thruster, gas central heating to radiators, and a multi-fuel solid fuel stove. Nice and light and airy. There's also a 7 kilowatt soundproofed electrical generator, 2 hot water tanks on this boat, which the hot water is provided either from the engine cooling of the generator or the engine cooling of the main engine, or indeed 240 volt immersion heater. We're just having a look on the port side at the forward heads. Starboard side, this is used as an office by our vendors and storage at the moment because she's winterized. Under there is a sofa bed, and just moving forward into a really very spacious double cabin, double radiators. Those beds are 190 by 85. Excellent double wardrobe. And if we just spin round forward, the heads has been converted to a laundry room. Washing machine, storage space, and a good deep sink. Let's just go and have another look over the whole boat. I'm Brian from Boatshed, Bourgogne. If you'd like any more information about this 2006 Southwest Durham Steelcraft Peniche, all my contact details are on this page. I'll be